Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can make your Instagram private, but before that please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay we'll simply step into our video. For that matter, first of all, what you're going to do is simply going to go ahead, open up your Instagram and simply get logged in with the account that you would like to turn it to private. And the one thing that I would like to mention is if I go to this like profile icon below right corner, so this account is basically personal account, but if it's not private, turn the privacy is not to private. So let me show you something. If you go to this three horizontal line and go to the settings option, you will go to this account option given over here. If you scroll down, then you'll find the switch to personal professional account. So if you have turned this on, then it's basically going to be public, but you have turned to professional and still want to know if it's private or not regarding your request. So let's say you have switched to personal, but if your private account option is not turned on, then anybody can follow you. You won't get to confirm the request. Anybody can have an access, right? So for that, what you're going to do is you're going to simply go ahead, go back and tap on this privacy option and this account privacy private account option. If you turn this on, you will switch to private and your account will be now private. So whenever whoever wants to get connected with you regarding following you, you will get a request. If you confirm it, that person will be able to follow you. So this is basically the option that you would like to turn on after you have made your account personal from professional. So yes guys, this is basically it. I hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll be seeing you guys in our next video.